Okay, we're actually I'm gonna ask them the question because last night they just they just arrived Wuchi today by train, 27 hours by train, and they don't have any like sleeper bag, but they just hard seat, and this cost that one is the cheapest, but then because the ticket is already sold out, so we would like to ask them how they are feeling.
Yeah, how is our feeling?
Yeah,
the feedback.
How's the feeling? So do explain some, guys.
Start from Hajar.
How do you survive that 27 hours?
To be honest, we don't.
Yeah, literally we
No,
don't.
like okay, we start our journey at 7:59 because we need to finish our Maghrib first.
Prayers.
So at 8 AM we go like
8
PM we go to the Beijing West Railway Station by the DB Kuaichu. And at that time we are like almost run out of time.
Yeah.
And then it's like go. So when we arrived at we are like 15
minutes before.
Our ticket is like at the
the 15th, like
the malls.
Gate 15 gate.
No,
I
the
know.
couch.
The furthest
The
one.
couch, yeah.
Couch.
Couch 15th couch.
The furthest
And our
one.
seat is for 83 and 82.
82. Yeah.
Okay.
So basically we have to run, like, because we ran our own time.
Okay, this
and
is
then
the best part.
Yeah. So basically we have to run from the first couch to the 15th couch. And I was like, when I was running, because he was in the front and I was like behind, and I was like literally running very fast. And then like out of nowhere, out of sudden, my back straight just like it just broke like all of a sudden. And then I was like, damn. And then how? And I was just like pulling this, and then it was like literally so painful. And then after we went to
there's a lot of person. There's a lot of passengers because they also have like standing tickets.
Yeah, and standing tickets is almost, I mean, the same price as seating tickets. So we got lucky to get the seating one. So when we want to like go in, because we were kind of late, like 5 minutes late. So when we get in, like literally it's like packed, like sardine. so like most of the people have to go out, and we have to like like force our way in. And then because our bag is too big, so like basically other people was like helping us to push the bag, push us going in to our seats, to the back. To the back of the couch. So and then like some of the guys, like the Xinjiang guys, was like helping us to put all the things on top.
And they started to fall in love.
No. Someone behind, not really, but then yeah, we started to be good friends because the guys are also like basically students, Xinjiang students from Aksu. We study in Beijing.
They help us to like put our bag
on the top.
like, on the top, and then suddenly he sat in front of us.
Yeah, and then basically we become good
That's
friends.
the tip, guys. How to survive
Yeah.
57 train.
You have to find a good
Look
friend.
like indah-indah.
Look like indah-indah.
Look yang indah.
Look for the
the-
most indah
The indah one.
Yeah, and
view.
then,
Is the handsome one.
That boy was so like friendly, like
Yeah, he's literally so friendly. His
telling
English
us things
is
that
good.
we don't know, especially about Xinjiang things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chinese.
Yeah. His English is good, to be honest.
Yeah.
And then we speak in Chinese.
Eye-opener one.
Yeah.
So
It's really nice.
So how did you guys survive to eat, to go to the toilet in the
Oh
train?
my god, it's too much people. There's like people sleeping in front of the toilet, beside the toilet. So the toilet is always full
And
every
even
single
at the
time.
hallway.
Yeah. And then they were like using all these like white things, and then they just sleep under the couch.
Is it something like sleeping bag?
No,
It's not sleeping
just a
bag.
simple.
It's just like, like
Plastic bag?
like almost like guni, but not really guni. It's like kain one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of creepy because it looks like mayat because it's white, and they were like under the couch, to be honest.
So
yeah.
so they sleep under like the bench,
Yeah,
the hard seat.
yeah, the hut
By
seat.
making the L shape.
Yeah,
like,
under the hut seat, like
So
literally
they
under.
sit. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's like this there's people that
you
sells
put picture
food.
here.
Yeah.
Picture here.
Because like there's the people that sells food and everything, so when they want to go through them, they literally have like to push their heads and their hands and everything.
Yeah, because these people are actually sleeping on the
Floor.
not toilet, the pedestrian walk.
Yeah,
So
the hallway.
Yeah, the hallway.
So they don't have a seat.
Just in case you don't know, the toilet is like water free. What I mean is like they got no pipe, so we have to survive with tissues.
Yeah.
But so
And
far,
it's okay. I mean, so far it's okay. As long as you can survive China, you can survive the trains and then we got used to it basically. But then
you guys have like power. I mean,
on
power bank or
there's one plug where you can like actually put
One plug for all the coach.
Yeah.
really?
Yeah. But then
And the toilet.
beside the toilet in front of the hot
Like
water
nobody use
place.
that because like who want to wait for your like
Yeah, in
who
front of
want
the
to charge
toilet.
you when all people are sleeping there.
You can, but then you will like, basically halang that laluan. You will like
Block,
And then
block
yeah,
the
block the
hallway.
way.
got makcik who carry the
Those makcik who selling the noodles and
yeah.
stuff.
the burgers.
They're always there. It's so annoying somehow. It's like in half an hour, they will come like 2 times, you know?
It's making nice.
Yeah, but no one actually buys it. Yeah. So we survive, but then after that, our eye bags are literally so bad.
3 hours per night.
Can you guys
3
please show your eye bags?
I'm trying to hide it. But we can try. I will show. Oh my god, malunya. Okay.
Where's your eye bag?
You see?
Okay, so
It's so
thanks to
bad.
concealer.
Yeah. But then it doesn't really conceal everything, but
It's
I
really
could.
hurt. My back really hurt.
oh yeah.
But
So, like-
yeah, finally you guys made it to 27 hours of journey from Beijing to Urumqi. And
Oh, and then one more thing, because sometimes they smoke in the couch, so the people that doesn't really like, cannot like stand the smoke and everything like me, I got headache to be honest. So it's really
They
annoying.
didn't turn off the light at night.
Yeah, so it's really
So,
bright, so you
they're
cannot
like-
sleep.
A few groups that playing poker card, like
Yeah.
betting.
Yeah.
Literally betting.
Through the-
Come on.
Yeah. So basically they were so noisy, so we cannot sleep, and then basically, yeah, you cannot sleep basically. Even if, and then one more thing, because we cannot sleep, so all of us like read the book, like literally, everyone reads a book.
Like I
Four
finished
of
2
us.
books.
Yeah, she
Really?
finished 2 books, the guy finished 1 book,
Wow.
I finished like half of my book. It's
And
a lot.
I even read the boy Kindle.
The Kindle,
The Kindle thing he gave me because like I seem so bored.
Yeah. We don't know what to
my
do.
2 books. You can read mine.
He's so nice. Oh, he even like belanja. He also like, what is it?
Treat you guys,
Treat us with Fang Bian Mian, which is
Instant
instant
menu,
noodles.
halal one.
Instant noodles, yeah, it's halal. So we got for free. It's
So,
good.
so they are going to meet that guy. They are going to meet that guy
In
again in Beijing.
Comment down below if you want to know.
Who is that guy?
Let's
Oh my
meet
god.
up with that guy.
Okay, so we're gonna show you guys what will happen if something happen, like maybe everyone can pray for the best because Amin. So doa yang baik-baik lah. Alright, okay
What
guys.
about you guys? Experience on
Yeah, on the
Lanzhou and then
train.
Lanzhou.
Okay, on that question, we gonna make a move into a next video, so you guys.
Oh my god, what did you?
Okay.
Okay, we should. That was yeah, that's like one of the best days. The people
Okay,
here.
okay.
Some excited people, so because we're foreigners, right? But they say we look like people here.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about our Lanzhou trip. No, not really Lanzhou trip. Our trip from Lanzhou to Urumqi after this in the next video. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I'm just kidding. Bye.